Arrived at a park named Vizirin, and oh my gosh, it's so huge and very many trees. It's all green color and really like fresh here. You can see like a jungle or forest, I think. And ticket counter, I don't know how much that it costs for one person. There's always there are kind of like boating activity. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at Takamatsu City. The local town is blah blah blah, and the site temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Hello, after like 3 hours on the bus, and we just check in the hotel. Really long and tough day ever. After arriving in the Takamatsu City, we check in the hotel and then quickly undress, and now we are 4 group just like go out for dinners. We are the local, we are the people that any restaurant around here, and they say that it's all closed and just only have like convenience store around. So let's grab something for eating. And yeah, it is a family mart. Just finished the meal. I had a cup noodle and one kind of like dessert. It's same like jelly. It's not too cold now. It's about 20 degrees Celsius. So it's time for bus stop. This is my breakfast. Oh my god, it's very simple and it's not my type. I just have like some sausages, or croissant and carrot cake and oolong cha. Oh my gosh, I hate fish. Hanging out, and the view is beautiful and a lot of flowers. It's kind of a park and very wide, and the flower. It's a colorful city and quiet. You can see the water on streets like very clean, and just a man is cleaning, and you can see how responsible the Japan government like is for the environment. We see like a group of kids, like primary school kids, is going for their outdoor activities.